Today we're going to learn how to play the A minor chord. So we've got our first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger. We're going to be using our second finger. And your second finger is going to go on the second fret all the way on the G string like this. So not by your toes, it's up by your nose. And it sounds like this. Now this chord can be a bit challenging because it's easy for little hands to accidentally mute the other strings. So you need to make sure you've got nice curved fingers so you're avoiding the rest of your strings. So one way you can do that is, so your thumb on the back, make sure it's not all the way over like that and it's more down here. And so you're aiming for that nice clear sound. So let's just try strumming some A minors. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if we look at some songs that have A minor in them, so the first song we're going to do is A Minor Miracle. And there's one part in the song where we go 1, 2, 3, splat. And so we're damping the sound of our strings by holding your hand over it. So let's just try that. 1, 2, 3, splat. Just like that. Okay, so the whole song goes a little bit like this. On fret number 2, put your second finger there, it's easy to do. There's a minor miracle just waiting for you. Ukulele Magic. And you can do the splat twice if you like. So that's our first song. So while you're still learning strum, you can just go down strokes like this. First you find your fourth string down on fret number 2. And so on. Okay, just with the downstrokes. Now, another song we can do is called Canoe Song, and it goes a little bit like this. My paddles keen and bright, flashing with silver, follow the wild goose flight, dip, dip, and swing. My paddles keen and bright, flashing with silver, follow the wild goose flight, dip, dip, and swing. And this is the Canoe Song with the strumming pattern. So remember, down, down, up, down. My paddles keen and bright, flashing with silver, follow the wild goose flight, dip, dip, and swing. My paddles keen and bright, flashing with silver, follow the wild goose flight, dip, dip, and swing.